If you've ever wished you could lock certain apps like Messages, Gallery, or even Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to lock apps on your phone in just a few simple steps. Let's protect your privacy the easy way. First things first, open your phone settings. On the search bar at the top, type App Lock for easy access. Click this App Lock. Then, set up a PIN, password, or use your fingerprint on your phone. In my case, I already set this PIN, so let's skip this step. Now, once your password is all set, choose an app that you would like to lock. Let's say YouTube, Gallery, or Messenger. Now let's try this YouTube and Gallery. So, toggle this on. And that's it. Now, even if someone opens your phone, they'll need another password to open those apps. Easy, right? I hope this video helps. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.